no! Fuck! Hello, welcome back to Uncouthed Churlishness. It's been a minute, 6 months to be exact, since we've posted a video. And that's my fault. We got a little busy, but now we're back. So this channel has experienced some highs and lows. We've got over 9,000 subscribers, but I'm kind of afraid that some of them may be dead accounts or not real accounts. I don't know. But we've lost a couple hundred subscribers, and essentially what I'm saying is this channel is kind of dead, and I want to bring it back. So this channel is built upon motorcycles, cars, restoration content, stuff like that. But I also want to kind of diversify to match my ADD brain, and that includes stuff like how is extruded aluminum made, or do a little documentary on the genius of the Jurassic Park graphic design. I fucking butchered that line, but regardless, it's going to get a little scattered. It's not going to be so much focused on automotive content. Essentially, I was doing that just to kind of study the algorithm and figure out what works and what didn't in order to become YouTube famous, which, I don't know, that's just pure ego. Kind of fucked that one up too. So we're going to just kick it back and start making content that I find interesting, and I hope that you like it, and we can kind of continue being friends on the internet together, per se. So here we go. Okay, come on, Lucy.